We have a very exciting day today. We have the opening of our Advanced Manufacturing Research Facility, which has been recently renovated. And this is a 14,000 square feet industry-grade high bay area that's equipped with industry-grade machine tools, robotics, controllers, and several high-level applied R&D type of platforms. On purpose, we have built this place with open space. So we have space for industry incubation, business development, and we want to work with our regional, basically partners, state level and national level, in order to build programs towards advanced manufacturing and related technologies and technology integration. So we had our ribbon cutting today with over 100 people. It's just a day of celebration.
How unique is this facility? I mean, are there plenty of these around the state, or is this rare?
Well, I think Tier 1 research universities have these type of facilities, definitely. But this is our 10th year anniversary as UTRGV, and the way we envision this is going to go is we need to have these type of centers of excellence. And the uniqueness comes from people, processes, and equipment we bring together and make it available to different stakeholders, different users, so that we can create accelerated value out of this. It's very typical in academia to have one piece of equipment sitting in the lab somewhere, used okay, part of classes, but very rarely for with industry. This place, I'm hoping, is going to run 24 hours a day, round the clock, with industry partners, with economic development corporations for applied R&D that touches workforce development, that brings economic impact to our region. But we have to do it in an accelerated manner in order to use our resources efficiently.
So this is, from what you're saying today, this is not just a research facility for the faculty and students to learn and research different products. You're saying this is available to the private sector. The private sector should contact you, and you can explain what's available in here and how you can help.
Yes. So basically, it's very expensive for industry, private sector, to do trial and errors and fail, because the industry rates are different. When you fail in an academic setting, we call it an experiment, and that's part of a learning. So basically, we can have low-cost failures. We can prove the ways that certain things cannot be done in a certain way. And by learning from that, we can actually get to an optimum solution, how the private sector should actually pursue a solution that we are validating in this facility. And through that failure, that would be a cost to the industry. For us, it's basically applied research for our undergraduate and graduate students, master's and doctoral level. So that's where the beauty comes from. So we can afford doing this, but we cannot do it alone. We need industry, we need local, our leadership, our cities, economic development, the state level, especially today, when you think about manufacturing, that's where the biggest value added is. And as manufacturing is coming back to the U.S., these types of initiatives are even more important. So as UTRGV, we are determined. We are the community empowering research university of the Valley.
One of your colleagues today, Ron Garza from the podium, pointed out the multiplier effect of manufacturing. There's nothing better than manufacturing or advanced manufacturing for the multiplier effect has in the economy. That in our region, the manufacturing sector is more well known. On the south side of the river, Reynosa, Matamoros has got a lot of manufacturing.
Yeah.
Will this facility here in Edinburgh help? Will that give the valley more chance to get a manufacturing on this side?
I think there's going to be an advantage for us to have this kind of facility. We have to match the capabilities of this facility, not just the current, but also future capabilities, to match the needs across the border, those manufacturing sectors, because it's truly a question of building the right supply chain where all the supply chain members and the partners, they get some economical benefit out of it. So we have to play our part to be that multiplier. It can't be just come and help us. It has to be industry takes a step forward. We say take a step forward. So 1 + 1, 2, more than 2. We create that value of 3. And then we basically create benefit for all the parties involved.
Those were the questions I had, Dr. Saygin. Is there anything I've missed? Anything else you would like to add?
Well, I think this is going to be a different type of operation behind me. We want to be very alert. We want to be very responsive. And we want to work with different stakeholders. So, as I've said before, AMRF is open for business. Please reach out to me. No idea is crazy. Just let me know how we can work together. So looking forward to it.
Thank you so much for today's interview.
My pleasure.